Hello ladies and gentlemen, here we are with the donor valve body back on. Comment would be, once it finally fit in that slot, so this on the valve body and that on the transmission, it's a decent fit, maybe a 32nd inch of or 64th inch of play. So yep, that most likely is the place where that goes, where it slides in together. And we had 4 connectors, one black on black, one red on blue, one white on green, and finally yellow on yellow. That connects this all these wires coming from the transmission to your valve body. And there's your clippy fold over metal, flexible metal wire holder 1, another one 2. I may have missed one over here, I don't know. At least there's 2. And then I got a torque, so the bolts that held the valve body on are all like heat treated, darkened metal color, as opposed to the clear or the more shiny color, whiter, blacker. Black 1, black 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's one somewhere. 9. So 6, 7, 8. Well, wait. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So those 11 bolts hold your valve body on, plus these 2 on each side of the hole where the transmission filter fits in. And then that'll make your valve body fall down. And the thing you have to line up is this going in, this slot going into that protrusion. Alright, we're good. Get a torque wrench. I need to look up the torque or listen to somebody else's YouTube on what the torque is on those bolts, and then do the gasket job. Now this valve body was replaced because I got a range sensor error, and I was hoping that would cure it, because there's your range sensor, I think. Yeah, if you do have your valve body, a donor valve body, give it a clean. This range sensor is magnetic. It has some magnetism involved, and you get a buildup of the microscopic metal shavings mixed with the transmission oil, which makes like a gray paste. And they seem to be drawn to this range sensor. So wipe it down. I forgot to do that, so I had to reach in there and maybe with a Q-tip I'll finish off a little bit more any cleaning than I can do. I'll move my shift lever back and forth and crawl back under and clean it before I start this car up. Alright, I'll let you know in the comments if this new valve body solved the range sensor error. Thanks for watching.